Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram note or prompt feature disappeared. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to update Instagram to the latest version via the App Store or Play Store. So you're going to head over to the App Store right here. And then from the App Store, you're going to search for Instagram and then you're going to click on Instagram. From here, you're going to make sure that this button right here does not say update, but rather it says open. So if it says update right here, it means that your app is not the latest version yet and may probably be the one that's causing the problem, or maybe the problem why you cannot see the note or prompt. Now, another thing that you can do is you can head over to your Instagram, and then from here, you're going to head over to your profile and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now, from here, just going to scroll down until you see this log out button. So what you're going to do is you're going to log out of the app, force close and reopen, and then on iOS, you can just offload the app or reinstall. On Android, you can just uninstall plus reinstall. Now, another thing that you can do if you're using Android is you can clear the app cache and restart device. For Apple, so you just click on your touch right here. You can go to device and then more, and then from there you can just click on restart. Now, if you switched account or changed settings recently, you can just switch back to a supported type like a personal account. So as you can see here, I'm not using a personal account, rather I'm using professional account. So if I have just switched right there, you can just switch back to personal account. Now, after reinstalling, if for example you forced uninstall it and forced reopen, you can just wait for a few minutes and then check again, and then sometimes feature appear when the backend syncs. If it's still missing, you can just contact Instagram support via the app. So just again, in the settings page, you're just going to scroll down until you find the more info and support section, and then from here you're going to click on help. Now once you click on help, you're going to click on report a problem, or you can just go to help center and then ask if the notes or prompt feature is available for your account. And that's it. That is how you can fix the note or Instagram note or prompt feature disappeared. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.